Differentiate y is equal to x squared times the cube root of 3x minus 5. Okay, so if we write this out, x squared cube root of 3x minus 5, and then we change this bit here to being 3x minus 5 to the power of 1/3, using our rules of indices. So we're now going to differentiate these using the product rule, because we've got a product of two functions of x squared and 3x minus 5 to the third, type uv. So u is x squared, and if we differentiate x squared, so du by dx will become 2x, and then we've got v is 3x minus 5 to the 1/3. So using the chain rule, we bring the 1/3 down in front, so dv by dx is 1/3. Write down the bracket, 3x minus 5, reduce the power by 1, so 1/3 minus 1 is minus 2/3, and then differentiate the bracket. And don't forget to differentiate the bracket. Now we can see that 3 and this 3 now cancel, and we're left with 3x minus 5 to the minus 3/2. So writing down now the rule for the product rule, dy by dx is u dv by dx plus v du by dx, and substituting in, we're going to have u, which is x squared, dv by dx, which is 3x minus 5 to the minus 2/3, plus v, which is 3x minus 5 to the 1/3, times du by dx, which is 2x. Right, writing down x squared. Now, if the power is minus, using the rule of indices, this will now be x squared over 3x minus 5 to the power of 2/3. This one, put the 2x at the front, and then we've got 3x minus 5 to the third. Right, so carrying on. So writing down the same thing again. So what we're going to do now is put this over a common denominator. So we're going to have x squared, and the common denominator is going to be 3x minus 5 to the 2/3. And then if we're going to have a 2 plus 2x, and then if you do 3x to the power minus 5 to the 2/3 times 3x minus 5 to the third, you have to add together the powers. So 2/3 plus 1/3 makes to the power of 1, which I'm not going to bother to write in. So this bit here comes 2x times 3x minus 5 to the power of 1. Now there's a common factor of x in the numerator, that will leave an x here, and then this 2 will multiply into the bracket. This x has been taken out, so we've got 2 times 3x, which is plus 6x, and then 2 times minus 5, which is minus 10, all over 3x minus 5 to the power of 2/3. Then simplifying this bracket here, we're going to have x plus 6x gives me 7x minus 10 over 3x minus 5 to the power of 2/3. So this has been a video using the product rule and simplifying by using a common denominator. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.